Hello everyone, this will be the last video of this video series on how to design swimmer courses website or online courses website. Yeah, even though this is especially for swimmer courses website, you can use these steps to design any courses website, okay, with WordPress and Elementor. And here main thing, we have designed all the basic static pages we need to design with Elementor: home, about us, contact. Even we have done the blog page. Now what we need to design is those pages that we inherited from the Tutor LMS. For example, courses page, or sign up student registration page, or login account dashboard account page. Those pages we need to do few things. Yeah, most of these things we inherited, we do not need to change much, but something we can adjust this. For example, here paddings, it is too congested, we need a negative space at the top and the bottom. And in the sign up page too, here no enough space. And here this is for guest users or visitors. Here they have the option to sign up option, sign up button here at the top in the navigation menu. But when when they are when they are when they are logging in, when they log in, they will see dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. This is visibility logic or dynamic display logic, display conditions. Okay, for that we need to install another free Elementor add-on, visibility logic for Elementor. Okay, so let's design the courses page first. Here as you can see here, we do not even have the option to edit this. This is totally overwritten by Tutor LMS. So go to dashboard, pages, and here another thing to the LMS settings. Okay, let's see if we can edit this courses page. Yeah, edit this. Then here in the course section, here okay, Elementor full wide, edit with Elementor. Actually, yeah, here we have not assigned any page here. We have not assigned this course page itself here in this setting, but it is already overwritten by as you can see here, they are doing it. So what we can do, let's go back. Since this courses page has been given priority to Tutor LMS, we cannot override it. We cannot edit with Elementor. It is showing the error. So we can change this slug URL permanent link. For example, instead of courses, we can just say course or css for double s anything. We can edit this. Say for example courses. Anyway, course. Okay, update it, and let's try it again. I think these paddings and all the margins would be fine if we are using a very good theme, premium theme, but this we are using this starter theme 2021. This is very basic. It does not have much layout styles, so we have to depend on ourselves. Okay, now we can edit it after changing this slug, the permanent link. Okay, now what we can do, insert, advanced setting, 100 padding at the top, 100 at the bottom. So should we add title or not? So we have to decide it. So first, courses, course list and course carousel. So course list, this is the only widget that I can think of. Stack, cart, just like that. Number of courses, pagination, previous, next, and blah blah blah. Fine, you will have pagination here if you have more than 6 courses. Query, here you can insert query for, but this is archive page, means all the courses you can list it here, so you do not need to get any query settings here. Leave the default. Enroll button, I think we have done this for the home page, so we do not need to change anything. This is what we can do with the available widget. It would be fun if we can edit these default generated pages by Tutor LMS, but it's not possible. Before I make this video, I try to edit the default Tutor LMS pages, but even though I design it differently with Elementor, it is totally overridden by the Tutor LMS, so it is not possible. That's why I'm trying to change this URL slugs, and we design it ourselves from the scratch. Another thing is there is this Tutor LMS shortcuts we can use. There is student registration, instructor registration. We do not need this one for this website, and Tutor dashboard for the login account page. And courses, I do not see all the courses list shortcut, but there is this. Here is Tutor course. So let's try this shortcut. Let's see if it works. shortcode. Applied. Oh, is it going to? Yes, yes, yes. Then I think we can use this default thing. We can delete this widget and use this default widget. Yeah. And here, if you want to remove this filter, you have to add this course filter off. If you want to exclude, you can use this is okay. Column per row, I think we need this setting. Column per row, by default it is 3. I think we need to change it here. Coming back here to this shortcut. Okay, space change to 2. Okay, column per row 2. Applied it. Let's see if it works. Wow, it is rendering. Yes, this is much better. Okay, that it. For this layout, I think this course list widget is much better, but they do not have this filter. It is fine, but if you have only few courses, but if you have more course, more than 10, then this item filter is much important. So they can just select this filter and sort out the courses they need. So that's why I'm doing this. And if you don't like this, you can use the previous option. Use this course list to design this course page. Okay, now we are done with this course page, and next is this dashboard page. Okay, and this is the account page. Okay, let's go to view here for this dashboard. Okay, here students, instruction page. Okay, instructors, general. Okay, here is dashboard. So once again we have to remove this default page selection, so that we can design the dashboard page ourselves. Okay, remove this option, then save the settings. Then go to dashboard. Yeah, edit this page. Edit with Elementor. Now once again here set a single column section, then go to advanced, add padding about 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom. Okay, make sure the page is Elementor full white. Okay, then copy this dashboard shortcut, this. Okay, Tutor is underscore dashboard. Then coming back here, okay, and let's insert a shortcut with that. Okay, update it. Yay, we do not need to change this because we do not have the option. And if we want to change this, we have to resort to custom CSS, but not for today. I think that's enough. We have the space here, negative space, we have enough space at the bottom. It does not look consistent anymore. Okay, that's enough for today. This is the dashboard page. Okay, and we need to design the student registration page to student registration. Okay, this is the shimmer okay, your website domain / student hyphen registration. Okay, or you can go to here, pages, and you can just edit this student registration page. Okay, and coming back to Tutor LMS settings, go to the students, and yeah, if you have any selection here, by default it may be selected to student registration like this. If that's the case, then remove it. Okay, leave to select option like this. This is blank selection, so save setting like this, and we can edit this page. Edit this, edit with Elementor. Okay, here is this default shortcut student registration form. If it is not there by default, then you can just copy it from here, from the Tutor LMS documentation page. Here, this is the one, Tutor underscore student underscore registration underscore form. Here it is. So it is by default. Here we can just go to advanced setting and adjust few padding, 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom, like this, space. Then it is not over. We need to change this space to Elementor full white. Okay, and we can add a heading here at the top, like sign up and start learning. Okay, update it. Let's see how it looks when someone visited, a new visitor visits this page, a guest visitor. Okay, sign up and start learning. This there is enough space at the top and the bottom, but there is no enough space, micro space here between these two widgets. So let's edit. Yeah, okay, go to this widget, shortcut widget, advanced, and let's add margin at the top about 40 pixels. Okay, update it, and we are done with the designing option. What I want to show you last is this dynamic visibility or logic visibility option. This dashboard is visible only to those who are login users, and this sign up button is visible to those who are not login or those guest visitors. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. You have to install another plugin, free plugin add-on for Elementor page builder. Here it is, visibility logic for Elementor by Stacks WP. Here you have to install this plugin. This is how it looks when you search it on WordPress repository. It has very good ratings. Out of 46, 43 voted for 5 stars, so it is good. And here, after you install this, let's go to theme builder, header footer builder. If you are using free plugin, then go to the header footer builder of the free plugin. Now I am using Elementor Pro, so go to theme builder. Then here at the header, edit this with Elementor. Let me show you how I did. Okay, what I did was just duplicate this sign up button we have done before. Yeah, so let me delete this. So what I did is just duplicate this widget like this and change this to dashboard, then link this to dashboard page. Okay, like this. And for the visibility for the sign up page, it is hidden to those who are login. Go to the visibility option here, visibility tab, enable visibility logic. You do not need to change other settings. You just go to user role, enable this. By default will be not enabled. You have to enable this option, then select the display condition here. This sign up option is visible only to those guest users and hidden to all login users. Okay, and for this dashboard button, it is visible only to it is not visible to the login users, only guest users, visible to only guest users. Okay, here it is so, then it is the opposite. But this condition is for height, so that is why we have to select to whom we want to hide here in here user role. So if you select so, then you have to change it to, instead of guests, you have to change to login users. Then this dashboard button will be shown to login users. And once again here, if you want to show this option, show condition, then you have to change this to guest users. So yeah, hide and show display condition. This is not complicated. You just have By default, it will be so also hide instead. So you just have to select to whom you want to hide here by enabling this user role feature. Okay, and I hope what I am explaining is understandable to you. So if you are confused, if you have doubts, questions, don't hesitate to comment below, or contact me, ping me on WhatsApp, yeah, PM me on Facebook. You can contact me anyhow. I will try to help you as soon as possible, as long as I'm available. And I'm available 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Indian time zone. So you can contact me anytime when I'm available. I will try to solve you, respond to you as soon as possible. Even if I'm not available, I will reply to you as soon as I'm available. Okay, and yeah, thanks for supporting me, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video series, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.